Good morning, Matthew. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very well. That's Andrew.
Yes, it is.
Hi, Andrew. Sorry I'm a few minutes late.
Not a problem.
I've got my piece of paper here. We're going to record, so
Okay.
I'll start the tape. And, well, let's talk about news today of an £8.8 billion tax rebate that is sitting in the taxman's bank account and waiting to be claimed. Maybe not all in one lump, but this could advantage a lot of people. Andrew Shepherd is a business tax expert from Portal Tax Claims. He's on the line to us now. So, Andrew, tell us a bit more. Who is eligible to reclaim all this cash?
Well, hi, Matthew, and thanks for having us on the show. The people eligible to claim this and the people that we're focusing on is the local businesses. And of course, with your listeners based in Norfolk, with our recent research, there's 3,500 local businesses in Norfolk alone looking to claim around £128 million worth of that relief.
How can they do that then? And what is this money?
Well, this money it's not a tax loophole or anything new like that. It's actually just property expenditure. Capital allowances in themselves are actually the only form of tax relief available for property expenditure. So to make a claim, they need to be looking at the items that are claimable, such as things like your fire extinguishers, unusual items, things like your electrical installations, like your lighting and your heating. To make a claim, they really should be speaking to their accountants, going onto the HMRC website, and then for further information coming to us on our website at Portal Tax Claims.
So this is claiming against expenses if you own your own property and you base a business there?
Yeah, I mean, if you own a property or spend money on a property on improvements, in our estimations, we say that for every £100 that you spend, you're looking to receive up to £20 of that back as tax relief.
Right. And why aren't people doing this now then?
Well, the problem with capital allowances is it goes back to if you don't claim them, you're not going to get them. And of course, if you don't know about something, then you're not going to claim them. The legislation around capital allowances means that a lot of tax advisors and tax experts can't be experts in all areas, so capital allowances go often overlooked. But by getting the right advice, capital allowances don't need to be complex or difficult, and the rewards can be considerable.
Yeah, it's a lot of money, and it could well make the difference between a business succeeding or failing.
Of course. I mean, the beauty of capital allowances is the fact that it's not just a benefit and saving money this year, but it will also save you money on your tax liabilities next year, the following year, and every year until these allowances are used up. So not only could you reinvest in your business this year, but every year until these allowances are used up.
And are we particularly bad at not claiming in this area?
Well, as I say, there's 3,500 businesses in Norfolk alone. So that's 128 million that's being missed out upon. So, of course, there's 8.8 billion across the country. I don't think any one particular area is any better or worse. But it's just a nationwide issue. So we're looking to speak to the people of Norfolk today, the 3,500 businesses, to make them aware to get claiming today.
And it's an average of, £36,000, so that's another staff member and a half probably, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a huge benefit.
So just remind us, how can people go about claiming this, or just even look into it and see exactly what they're missing out on? Yeah,
I would say follow the steps of go and speak to your current tax advisor. Are they claiming all the capital allowances? If they're not, have a look on the HMRC website to find out a little bit more. And if they can't find enough information there, we have a part on our website that says how to make a claim yourself, and that's portaltaxclaims.com.
Andrew Shepherd, thanks for your expertise today, and we'll see you soon.
Matthew, you have a great day.
Stop the tape, and that's great. Thanks, Andrew. That's very kind.
Thank you, Matthew. Bye-bye.